Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. Here we have a 2005 Honda VT750 Shadow Spirit. In this video we'll do a quick walk around of the bike so you can see its overall condition, point out some aftermarket parts, then fire it up so you can hear what it sounds like. This particular one has 12,600 miles on it. It's in great shape. As you can see, headlights in great shape, front fender also great shape. Brand new front tire. Moving around the side of the bike. Gas tank is in pretty good shape. There is one little rock chip there, but no dents or anything. See the chrome still shiny. Got aftermarket Cobra pipes on it. We'll hear what those sound like in a second here. Seat's in great shape with no rips or tears in it. Back fender. Brand new tire on the rear. Chain driven in the Spirit. Great little starter cruisers, or around town cruisers. Chrome is still very shiny, as you can see. Let's fire it up. There's the mileage. See, the Cobra pipes do have a nice rumble to them. This bike has received our full 25-point mechanical inspection. It will come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty as well as a lifetime parts discount. Thank you for visiting SimplySportBikes.com.